Hey everyone, so today I am out in the yard. The sun is going to be going down in about 30 minutes or so. Um, so let's see how much I could get done. I wanted to show you guys our really messy area of our yard that was full of basically blackberry bushes, like sticker bushes, and it was so overgrown. We had no clue what was underneath it. It was just basically a wild mess of sticker bushes, and it started growing into the grass. So my husband went and basically took them all down. I mean, I helped too, but we took it all down, and I had him leave 1 foot of the little stem of the sticker bushes so I could start using this vine and stump killer on it, and it's a liquid. I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, so here is the chemical that I'm going to be using. It comes with like a little brush inside, and when you cut, I usually try to cut maybe 1 inch or less of the stump of the sticker bush to be able to get it low to the ground but enough to put the chemical on it. And I have my husband make sure he doesn't cut any lower than 1 foot. So let's see if I can do this without poking myself. So that's probably about 1 foot or so. And then what I'm gonna do is take my shears and just probably shear it back pretty close to the ground, but enough where I could actually see it. And then I'll be applying this chemical, this chemical to it. Okay, so here I have, it looks like there's 3 going, like 3 stems going into this one. So I'm gonna try to see how much I could get down. Let's see. Hope you could see that okay. So probably what I'm gonna do is just take off these 2 stems, which they're pretty dead. And then this is actually the one that is green and living. But I'm gonna cut it all back. Take this. What I'm gonna do is also try to put like a slit down the middle so I can get some of that chemical inside. Come on, just a little slit. Okay. So this comes with a little brush, and you just want to dab it on the open parts of the stem. Usually I put quite a few drops on it. Okay. And this is supposed to go down to the roots and kill this whole vine so it doesn't come back the following year. From what I've heard from other people who recommend this, or another person who recommended this, that you might have a few here and there that you have to take care of the next spring, but that's a lot easier than dealing with hundreds of sticker bushes coming up all over your yard. So I'll show you another close-up view of what these look like. Okay, so here's a few more. Just go through an area. Just don't lose track of where those are. I usually try to count them so I know how many I'm doing so I don't lose track. Let's see if I don't poke myself. Usually I wear better gloves than the gloves I'm wearing now, but the better gloves that I was wearing before is actually in our shop, and I don't want to walk all the way to the shop right now to get them out. Okay, so I'll just do the 3 right here. try to go back again and coat it. Maybe like 2 times. I figure in this situation, less is more is not true. I figure more is more. So I just left a little nub of them so I could kind of see where I cut it. I guess you could probably put it down lower, but I think they were just saying kind of leave it not too close. I have cut them down lower, but it's just a lot easier to see in this case. But now I need to take care of all of these. I don't know if you could see them all. I have a huge area just full of these. I also have this periwinkle ground cover. I have ivy back here. I'm gonna leave the ivy because they're kind of contained on the fence, and I'm okay with that. I do want to eventually take down this rhododendron once I think about something that I could put it in its spot, but we'll see. But here's that periwinkle ground cover. It's really nice everywhere else. I just want to take it out of this area so I can make sure I get all the sticker bushes out of here. So when we cut all of this back, we had no clue there was a massive stump. It was that overcrowded, overgrown of sticker bushes that we had no clue that there was an old stump. It's basically falling apart. We'll probably cut it down even more, put some oil in it, and basically burn it. But we have to be very careful of burning it and have a hose nearby because there's some beautiful trees here that I don't want to mess with. We also had a tree here that my husband cut back. I'm pretty sure that was like a rhododendron maybe. But this whole area, let's see, from here all the way back, I have already trimmed back all the sticker bushes and put that chemical on it. That chemical is actually supposed to be safe for all the other plants around the area. It's not like you're putting vegetation killer on it. You're just aiming it towards that one plant. So I'm just going to get back to work, kind of working as many of these that I can until the sun goes down. Out here. So I'm gonna rake as much as I can up of the vines. I did cut a lot of the sticker bushes. Okay, that's it for today. I'll see you guys next time. You guys have a good evening. Okay, bye.